Hi all. Becoming a registered nurse in Australia is a dream for many of us. So we thought to present the new OBA program, which was introduced in March 2020, replacing the bridging program, which was very expensive and many of us could not afford it. Today I'll be talking about the requirements and process of OBA. So not wasting much time, let's begin. If you like the video, please do not forget to like the video, click the subscribe button and bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload the new video. To be a registered nurse in Australia, one of the important requirements is the English requirement, and I have listed down the few important tests which can be taken, and they are IELTS, OET, TOEFL and PTE. Outcome-based assessment or OBA, which started in 2020, replacing the bridging program to be a registered nurse in Australia. It has two stages of assessment. The first one is MCQ and the other one is clinical exam. Every internationally qualified nurse and midwife must pass these two parts of exam to be a qualified nurse in Australia. There are many important certificates to register in AFRA, but the most important to start the process are transcript with clinical hours, good standing certificate from the nursing council at your home country, and criminal history for the last 6 months and fit to work from ICHC, which is International Criminal Background Check. These three will approximately take 3 months to complete. There are 7 important steps to be a registered nurse in Australia. The first one is the self-check. Then after the self-check, you will have to do a payment to IQNM, and then there will be an orientation part 1. Then you will have to create a portfolio, after which you will have to take your first OBA exam, which is MCQ or NClex. Then the second stage, which is OSCE, the clinical examination, and then you will have to do the pay for the registration and then become a registered nurse in Australia. The first step, which is a self-check, for this you will have to register in AFRA. After filling the self-check, AFRA will assess the applicant based on 3 streams: Stream A, B and C. Stream A are the nurses who have studied in countries like USA or Canada or equivalent to the level 6 or 7. Stream B are the nurses who studied in other countries and will have to undergo OBA or equivalent to AFRA standards. Stream C are for the nurses whose qualification does not match the framework and will have to do some master course which is equivalent to American standards. After the self-check done, next is the payment to IQNM, which is approximately 640 AUD. Then attending an orientation program at your home country, which is an online course. This course is approximately 1.5 hours, and this course basically includes Introduction to Healthcare System in Australia, Culture and Diversity, Roles and Function of Nurses and Midwives in Australia. The most important point of this course is that you will have to complete this orientation program within 90 days after registering in AFRA. Developing portfolio is the next on list by uploading necessary document in AFRA website like qualification detail and identity document, which must be attested by the authorized person. Next on the list is OBA. Here you will have to attend the OBA stage 1, which is NClex, and it will cost you around 3000 USD. It is a multiple choice question type. It can be attended at your home country. In this, your cognitive knowledge will be assessed and the results are out within 3 to 5 days. Once your results are sent to AFRA, you will be asked to attend OBA stage 2, which is OSCE. It costs around 4000 AUD. In this, your clinical skills are assessed. The assessment will be conducted in Australia, so you will have to fly to Australia. This is said to be a week-long assessment. Once you fulfill all the criteria and assessment, now you can take a sigh of relief, because next is the payment of registration as RN in Australia. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon to get the latest updates whenever I upload a new video. Your support is much appreciated by the entire crew of the team RNers. Please keep supporting, and happy learning. See you soon with yet another video. Till then, bye.